Now this is the same fan folding. It's wet. I fan folded it, and then I put clothespins. And I love, this is one of my favorite techniques, and in one class I had a woman that used 50 clothespins on her scarf, and it was absolutely beautiful. I'm going to use the same 3 colors just because I have them mixed here and ready to go. But all you're doing is the same thing, and however you want to do this, whatever colors, again I'll have some samples for you that you can see all the different colors. But and then again, just like the other one, we're going to turn it over. I want to wipe this down. Turn it over to be sure that we got all the colors, that they've gone all the way through. So I'm again going to put those in that area. That, and turquoise is in here. So just like the rest, I will do the same thing. Want to be sure and then I'll throw it over. I don't want to throw it over on top of anything. Okay. Then and these clothespins can be used again. I throw them in a thing of water, and then I end up you know, letting them air dry, and I use them over and over, and I use them in classes, and they don't hurt anybody's pieces. So again, what has happened is where the clothespin has been, you have little white dots. So let's see. And the falling over like that. That seems like it always happens with me in class. I like to get both sides dry. Take it in a towel. Okay. And there you go. And that's it. So it just gives you some really pretty colors there. That's it.